now. The 2026 Porsche Cayenne is a perfect blend of power, elegance, and innovation. From the first glance, it's clear that Porsche has refined every detail to balance form and function. The exterior features a sharper stance, wider shoulders, and a redesigned front that gives it a confident, road-dominating look. The signature 4-point LED headlights sit in sleeker housings, while the sculpted hood lines flow into the fenders, giving it a muscular yet refined silhouette. At the back, the continuous light bar stretches wider, emphasizing its athletic shape. The rear bumper blends smoothly with aerodynamic diffusers, while chrome touches and bold color accents make it more dynamic than ever. Every curve reflects Porsche's unmistakable DNA in SUV form. Inside, the 2026 Cayenne feels luxurious and modern. The cabin is wrapped in soft leather, brushed aluminum, and optional carbon fiber trims. The new curved 12.6-inch digital display shows driver info in crisp detail, while the 12.3-inch infotainment screen offers Porsche's latest interface with intuitive touch controls, voice command, and smartphone connectivity. A separate passenger display lets the co-driver control navigation and media, a true luxury feature. Under the hood, the Cayenne offers power with efficiency. The base model's turbocharged V6 produces about 350 horsepower, providing smooth acceleration and a satisfying growl. The Cayenne S and turbo versions push it further, with the turbo's twin-turbo V8 producing over 600 horsepower. Hybrid models like the Cayenne e-Hybrid and Turbo e-Hybrid combine electric power and fuel efficiency without losing Porsche's sporty character. On the road, the Cayenne feels agile and stable. Its adaptive air suspension, dynamic chassis control, and active all-wheel drive work together for smooth handling on any terrain. Whether you're driving in the city, on highways, or through mountain curves, the Cayenne stays composed and responsive. The ride comfort is exceptional. The cabin remains quiet at high speeds, with advanced sound insulation and acoustic glass. The seats offer heating, cooling, and massage functions, making long drives relaxing. The panoramic sunroof adds openness and light to the cabin. Technology in the 2026 Cayenne is top-notch. It includes adaptive cruise control, lane assist, night vision, and a 360-degree camera system for easy parking. The new head-up display projects essential data on the windshield. Over-the-air updates ensure the system stays up to date without visiting a service center. Every detail shows Porsche's craftsmanship, from the precise feel of each button to the steering wheel and drive mode selector. The Cayenne isn't just a luxury SUV. It's a symbol of Porsche's engineering excellence. Customization options allow buyers to personalize colors, interior materials, and finishes, making each Cayenne unique. The 2026 Porsche Cayenne stands out as powerful, yet refined, advanced, yet comfortable. It combines everyday practicality with sports car spirit. For those who want performance, technology, and luxury in one vehicle, the Cayenne delivers a complete and unforgettable driving experience.